Look at our swords. We're going swimming. This doesn't fit. Oh my God. This doesn't fit. Wow, my little Tinkerbell life jacket. Come on, get your own. Okay. We gotta row. See you later. The amazing Bree hula hooping. Look at her go.
I could do this all day.
Well, say goodbye.
Bye.
Courtney's attempt at hula hooping. That was great. Oh my gosh, look at those. Those are big balls. Look how colorful they are. Oh my gosh. Those are huge. Tinkerbell! Catch! I can't catch. Okay, turn it on. Wait, start it over. I wasn't ready. Look, we found this. Do you see them? Yeah, matching JV dolls. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You're just jealous if you hate JB. Just saying. They're pretty awesome. Look at, he's just a little guy. See, look.
They should make a doll of me.
Why isn't he like...
Yeah, well, sorry. We were just freaking out, so.
Bye.
Bye.